Hi, this is Elizabeth Johnson with Southern Embellishment, and I am here with an exciting announcement. This part's not so exciting, but the rest of it will be. I turned the big 6-0 yesterday, my birthday, on Mother's Day. By the way, hope you all had a great Mother's Day. For all you beautiful women out there that take on the challenges every day of being a mama. So anyway, I turned the big 6-0, so I wanted to do a giveaway, and since I am 60 now, I didn't want to do just one giveaway. You know, one of the best sayings is, and it's very true, it comes from the Bible, it's more blessed to give than to receive. We all like to receive, but I like to give too. So for my birthday gift, I want to give my faithful subscribers gifts. So since I was 60, I'm not only going to do one giveaway, I'm going to do one for each decade. So here's one giveaway. Here's two giveaways. Here's a third giveaway. Here is a fourth giveaway. Here is a fifth giveaway. And I have a sixth giveaway. So, I hope that's as exciting to you as it is to me. And I appreciate everybody that has subscribed and follows me. I appreciate that. I am so thankful for all those that I follow and have subscribed to, because I just love getting inspiration. That's what it's all about, is inspiring each other. So I'm going to go through each of these giveaways, and then every day for the next 6 days, we will have a drawing for a giveaway. And on those drawings, I will show you what package that we'll be giving away that day, and then we'll draw your name, and then you just need to PM me your address. In order to enter, I need you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on my station, which is Southern Embellishment on YouTube. We also have a Southern Embellishment Facebook page, and we have an Etsy shop, Southern Embellishment. So in order to enter, again, for 6 days, we're going to have a drawing. And I think these are pretty good giveaways. And we're going to have that drawing. And you will need to subscribe to my channel and like that video and this video, and leave a comment below this video today. And if you do that, then we will enter you into the giveaways, and we will have the random drawing. So I'm going to do the video today, and then the next 6 days, one a day, we'll have a giveaway. All right, so hope you get involved. Hope you enjoy what we are offering for the giveaways. So let's get started. This is, each giveaway will receive 2 of these little mini junk journals that we make. And I have a video, which I can link below, that shows you the flip-throughs of these. And so you can take a look at that. And then each giveaway will include dies or stamps and dies. So, well, I've got a new video set up here, or a new, yeah, let me see. Let me try the lighting. Oh, that's worse. Okay. We'll just try it here. This particular package has the Tim Holtz Sizzix Alterations hanging lanterns. And you get 2 different styles of lanterns in that. And these are die cuts that go with the Big Shot, the Sizzix die cutting machines. And that's the ice skates, which we're going to be having probably Christmas in July, right, ladies, to get ready? So that'll be coming up soon. So that's the first, that's one of the giveaways. And I don't want to put first, second, third, and fourth because I don't want to get mixed up. That's the first giveaway, or one of the giveaways. Here's 2 more of the mini junk journals. And then on this one, we have the Sizzix Thinlits. It's got the hearts, the circles, the splat, coffee splatter. And then we have the Festive Gentleman. Oh my goodness, I've got to get used to this. Festive Gentleman. And we have the tree, which can be used for winter, fall, spring, summer, whatever you want to use it for. That's another one of the giveaways. So that's 3 dies in that one. This giveaway, again, 2 more of the mini journals. And this has got the wall clock, the Tim Holtz Sizzix wall clock. And it has the Tim Holtz rustic lantern die cut. That's the number 3, another one. And this package, this giveaway, I'm so excited about these giveaways. I hope you are too. I hope you are too. So excited that we're almost to 500 subscribers. But this isn't because I've got so many subscribers or however many subscribers. This is because I turned 60. I need to do something fun to keep from falling apart. This is 2 more of the mini junk journals. This is the candlelight. It has the 2 different candles in it. And this one is one of the Graphic 45, and it has it has the stamps. Let me come back down. Has the stamps, and it has the die cuts that you put with the stamps. So those are all awesome. That's Graphic 45. So that's another one of the giveaways. We got 2 more here, ladies. This is the On the Edge die, the scroll work on the edge die from Tim Holtz. 2 of the little junk journals. And here's another one of the stamps and the die cuts from Tim Holtz, Sizzix Tim Holtz. And then here it's got the bird, the flowers, love you little arrow, and it's got the stamps and the dies also. So that's 2 of those, 2 of the books, and then an On the Edge die. That's a pretty good, nice little gift to sign up for, isn't it? 2 more. This is the 6th one, and 2 more of the mini junk journals. We have another On the Edge die. This one is Brackets, it's called. On the Edge die. And then we have 2 more of the stamps and die sets. This is Sizzix, Tim Holtz Sizzix. It's got the picture frame, the lady, the flowers, the gentleman, and then a banner. And it's got the dies up here and the stamps. That's 1. And I think this is called Frame Silhouettes. This is one from Sizzix, and it is the dies and the stamps, and it's got words and flowers. So that's another one. So that is what we are going to be giving away for my 60th birthday. And so again, to sign up every day beginning tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the 15th, we will be giving one of these away every day for 6 days. We will be drawing. In order to win for this beautiful, all these packages, to get one of these packages, just subscribe, like this video, this giveaway video, and leave a comment below on this video, and then we will put you in a random drawing, and you will be part of this lovely, lovely giveaway. I think it is exciting. I hope you get excited too. Please, 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 thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. Let's have fun today. Go out and make something beautiful. And don't forget to enter this giveaway. Have a great day. Bye-bye.